Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. And in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to update Google Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, Google Play Store updates are for keeping your device software and the apps you use up to date. And this include improving security, adding new feature, and ensuring stability. And essentially, they provides update the both the Play Store itself and the apps you've installed. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to Google Play Store on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can click on the right top, and then now you can scroll down a little bit and go to settings, and here now you can go to about, and then after that now you can update Play Store. And then so yeah, your Google Play Store will update to the newest version. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.